Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we're going to look actually how you can trade spot trading on Bybit or in any other exchange of your choice and make a daily profit or make a daily earning. This title actually is coming out from a question from my YouTube channel. Let's go there to look at it. Okay, now look at the questions here. This guy says, hello, good morning. Okay, let's go straight to the questions. I say, look at the question here. It say, how can I set up my trade on spots to earn a daily basis? To earn on daily basis, please make a video for me so that I can understand how to start as a beginner. Okay, you can see the question. So we're going to treat this question, but you must understand that to start as a beginner, you must understand that you need to know or learn how to do a spot trading first. So at the descriptive section, I'm going to drop you a video that shows you how to do spot trading, and also you need to practice. How do you practice? I made a video on how you can practice with free monies on Bybit. Okay, free money on Bybit. So this free money on Bybit will allow you to trade freely without using a live trading, and after doing that, you understand the movement of those candles, and then you can come back to do live trading. So follow me from the beginning of this very video to the end, so that by the end of this very video you will be able to understand how to really do this and earn on daily basis. Okay, so at the descriptive section of this very video, I will drop you some videos that's going to help you through all of this. So let's dive into that. So since you want to do a live trading, all you just need to do is to first turn on the live. Okay, if you turn on the live, that is if you were using a demo account. Okay, if you turn on the live, then you're going to start navigating yourself to the particular cryptocurrency coin you wish to trade. Okay, so after getting yourself to this cryptocurrency coin you wish to trade, maybe let's just take G7, because G7 is hot now, so I always like to use G7. Okay, now this is G7. This is how actually you can earn on daily basis. You must understand how those candles move previously. The previous movement of the candles is very important on this occasion. Okay, so you look at the previous movement of the candle and also check their interval, how many minutes interval or how many hours interval. You're going to first come to up here to make your choice. Are you going to use the 15 minutes time frame, the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hours, the 1 day? So you must check this. Okay, but I suggest you use 15-minute time frame. All right, so this is what you're going to do. You will look at this. That is the previous movement of the candles. Okay, so let's just say now you're going to study this candle from here. Okay, you realize that this movement took off from where? It was actually at first low of 0.000032, then it went high to 0.003393. okay, and at what time? This actually took from this actually happened at 9:45. okay, 9:45 on the 24th. okay, 9:45. That was 2 days ago. Okay, now come to this place. You can see the candles. After that, the movement declined. You can see decline and make some noise and take off. Okay, so look at it. Now we need to go to this place. We need to go to this place. Though there was no much movement. All right, so what was the low there? The low there was 0.000322. Okay, you must understand that 322. Okay, now let's go up this. This was around 6, that is from now 9 to 6, from 9 to 6, which was 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still roughly 8 hours. Okay, still roughly 8 hours before it took another movement. And each time you see that it went off and declined immediately. So when it declined immediately, you can paste the trade. You can join your trade here, because you have seen that okay, the bearish has been declined, the bullish has been declined. Okay, it's been declined. You see, you can join your trade here. And if you are using this strategy, have some reasonable money. Like your USDT should be reasonable. Maybe you should have 50 and above. Okay, and when you see small movement, take your profit. Do not take too much. Do not wait for do not look for too much. And again, when you see that it declines, all of a sudden a high declined. If you see a high bearish, you see this long candle, red candles decline down, it's another opportunity to buy. Okay, after you might have sold that one, it's another opportunity to buy. So if you buy here, you can look at it carefully and see, boom, another opportunity was here. That is from here to here. You can see this is another opportunity. So you now study this coin, you now realize that, see, if you realize this now, you understand that the low this coin has been going recently was 0.03. I'll talk about this in a different video. Okay, how to use the previous candle. Okay, now you see that this is what is happening to it. 0.0031, that's actually what is happening to it. And from there it take another move again to 0.000, sorry, it was 0.0041. That was a reasonable one. This is to tell you that each time this particular cryptocurrency declined, it's warming up for another rational movement that will be able to make you take profit. So from here to here now, you'll be able to take your profit. And when you take your profits, you wait for another opportunity. You understand? You wait for another opportunity. So between here and here now, you can cash out roughly $10, 10 USD. You can cash out roughly 10 USD. One thing you must understand is that you must not be greedy. Each time you see opportunity, okay, and if you are scared that okay, it might blow up this time, what you do is that always cash out first your 30%. Cash out your 30% first. Okay, and when you realize that yes, it declined again, you can still go back to join the 30%. Your profit will keep growing. Okay, your profit will actually keep growing. What you're going to do now is that do not leave the trade. Always stay in the trade and always cash out your 30% or 40%. Okay, always cash out your 30% or 40% is very important. Right? So you take a look at all of this. Okay, take a look at all of this, calculate it carefully, and know what to do next. You can see it declined. It declined almost to the bottom where it begins from. You can buy here. Buy here and sell here. Don't look for too much. Always advise you, do not look for too much. You get 5 USD, it's fine, since you want to be cashing out on daily basis. And if you are trading with much, like 100 and above, you will definitely be cashing out some reasonable fund. All you just need to do is for you to understand the movement of a particular coin. This is a very local strategy you can use. You don't need to be looking for okay, Bollinger Band, this RSI and the others. No. Okay, this is a very local strategy. Just use your head, calculate very well, and each time you see that a particular coin have started declining more than your expectation, yes, abandon the trade for now. Look for another ones that is recently doing well. These are most of these strategies you can use and be cashing out for yourself frequently. All right, so if you're getting this, please notify me at the descriptive section, at the comment section, sorry, Now look at this place now. Another decline was here, and you know what happened? There was a serious move. You can cash out if you want, since we want something bit by bit. Another decline was here also. This is the one that shocked you. Boom! It took roughly times 2. This is to tell you that if you have 100 USD here, you'll be cashing out 200 USD. This is one of the things that will please you a lot. But one thing you must understand is that you must always be available. Okay, you must always be available, or you set your sell limit. If you set your sell limit, all this will be fine. Okay, all this will be fine. So all you just need to do is to watch carefully, understand how this works. You can make a choice of any coin and keep doing this, and by God's willing, you keep making profit. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, and also do not forget to share. It's very important. Okay, it's very, very important, because that keeps us going. So this brings me to the end of this very class. If you do have any question, as usual, you can drop it in the comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. There's also this my new YouTube channel. Okay, there's this my new YouTube channel. It is called My Finance Class. Please, you can just go and search for it. My Finance Class. You understand? Just click on it. You'll find me here. We just have 57 here, and in this place we'll be dropping signals as well. Please do it to subscribe here, like and share. I will also leave the descriptive section. I will also leave the link at the descriptive section, so that you can like and also share. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.